So now we can start to look at adding these vocals to the arrangement. But firstly, I want to do the chopping up and putting into a drum rack again, because that always yields some interesting results. Being able to play it with the keyboard means that you can kind of get something different rather than just entering it into a piano roll. I'm not a keyboard player, but sometimes I do like to just sort of close my eyes and feel it just by tapping away. That's what this enables you to do. So before we do that, I'm just going to copy this, duplicate this channel, because what we have to do here is we need to leave these as they are. This one we can freeze. Freeze track. It's going to freeze all of these various different vocals, and then we can flatten them, which what it means by flatten, it's Ableton speak for actually then making individual audio files out of them, which you can then, and they're all of course in time and at the right tempo, which you can then drop onto a drum rack, which is here. Drum rack, which is in MIDI audio instruments, yeah. I'll create a drum rack. There we go. Let me get rid of that one. Put the drum rack there. All right, and then we could, in theory, I don't want the top one because that's the long one, so I'm gonna, oh yeah, flatten track, boom. And that makes these small, weird little kind of, but they are only the length that we've chopped them to, but they're at the right time.